Khuborlaitkam Fibro, kijing tip nam tai khuborlaitkam kibere po West Khasi Hill District. Tekidon kumba khatsan Tylli ai kipus kibalaj dengan puli kat kum kane ka advertisement kaba ayo Office of the District Rural Development Agency. Nam taban apply kane kemawa pihak belaj kane Office of District Rural Development Agency kibere po West Khasi Hill District NONGSTOIN. Advertisement application in a prescribed standard form are hereby invited from permanent citizen of India for filling up the following vacancy at Rambarai, Rimuliang and Shalang CNRD block. Kemudian baik ini kipus kibalaj pihak kin pendap hakini kis block mau ke Rambarai ke Rimuliang marka Shalang kini LAIT di block. Tebur man kawe kipus kidon LAIT di vacancy. CNRD block under West Khasi Hill District NONGSTOIN Meghalaya purely on contractual basis for a period of 1 year. Kan mau gini di contractual basis. Junior engineer ka vacancy kadai lightly given number kapi kadai khat prajar. The minimum qualification dimlong diploma in civil engineering from a recognized university, minimum 3 years of work experience. Kan mau katama kibadai ka junior engineer. The lightly gipus kemud ba kawai Rambarai, kawai Rimuliang, kawai Shalang. LDA 3 numbers khasan hajar kapi. Kena pada pass class 10, SSLC pass and computer knowledge with typing speed of not than 30 words per minute. Kemudian ba pass class 10 with computer. Pihak don kami computer LDA je. Driver 3 number 10,000 per month, class 8 pass and above with valid driving license. Minimum of 1 year work experience mah kena don kam she's name ka work experience nam ta driver. Peon 3 number kena exposure class 6 pass. Chowkidar 3 number kena exposure class 6 pass. KH kena khat pra do life arts name te plus ka relaxation nam ta ki SCST kan long sans name te khat pra do life news name. Te kemud ba bayo apply ke khat pra do life news name. Eligible candidate are required to submit their application along with self-attested copies of all document testimonial in support of STSC age qualification permanent address experience extra to the office of the project director. Kiba kuat ban apply kiba long eligible kan mau wa hin submit di dokumen ki Baroh rengkat ke application pihak long self attested ma pi ke as child tribe ki qualification jong pi permanent address Baroh kibran kam experience te ban apply ki haban late submit napok office of the project director district rural development agency kabre NONGSTOIN latest by 5 PM on the 3rd August 2023. Ka last date kemud kadai 3rd August light rek jong 9 August. Incomplete application and application received after the last date shall be summarily rejected. Kiba submit lakut ke last date la nek bom biang ikut isla on should reject by direct. The date of examination test and interview will be communicated namta kita ki examination la ladakin le daka interview direct ro ken sa tip ya pi kan. Na pila submit iki detail Baroh jong pi ken sa tip ya pi lembak kita la mendai bang nomor phone nam dai no ken sa tip ya pi. And all relevant document in original should be produced at the time of interview. No TDA will be entertained to candidate appearing for the examination test and interview. Kinam ay ka balik bewan ki bawan man to exam lan ya interview. Te tangin dai kijang betip khuborlaitkam.